Understanding the phrase, horn in, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the intricacies of the English language to help you become more fluent and confident in your communication. Today, we have an interesting phrase on our agenda, horn in. We're going to delve into its meanings, uses, and origins to ensure you can use it appropriately in your conversations. So, without further ado, let's get started. Horn in is a phrasal verb that is often used in informal settings. It typically means to interrupt or intrude in a situation or conversation where one may not be welcome. The phrase paints a picture of someone pushing their way into a space or discussion, much like a bull might use its horns to get into a space. For example, imagine two people are having a private conversation, and a third person comes and starts talking without being invited. You could say that the third person is horning in on the conversation. While horn in generally has a negative connotation, implying rudeness or intrusiveness, it's important to understand the context in which it is used. Sometimes, people might use it in a more light-hearted or playful manner, especially if the person intruding is a close friend or family member. Here's an example to illustrate this. Even though I was having a serious talk with my sister, I couldn't help but laugh when my goofy friend decided to horn in with his ridiculous jokes. The phrase, horn in, is believed to have originated from the animal kingdom, where certain animals use their horns to push others out of the way or to fight for food or territory. Over time, this physical action became a metaphor for human behavior, especially in social settings. Understanding the origin of the phrase can help English learners grasp why it is used in particular contexts, and it can also enrich their vocabulary and cultural knowledge. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the phrase, horn in. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this phrase properly and has provided you with valuable insights into the English language. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations, but remember to be mindful of the context. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Happy learning!